Hi everyone, it's Fiona from YBR St Mary's and it's Mortgage Monday, and today I have a special guest. We have Clyde here this morning.
Hello everyone, I'm excited to be here with Fiona on Mortgage Monday.
So we're going to discuss our Wednesday night and our special event that's happening. So tell us about it, Clyde.
Absolutely. So this Wednesday, you may or may not know, we actually are having an exclusive or hosting an exclusive event this Wednesday at 6:30 at St Mary's Bank Club. We wanted to talk to you today about 3 reasons why you need to attend. There's only a handful of seats left. We want to keep it intimate. We want to keep it small, purely because we know you'll have a lot of questions that you want answered, and we want everyone to make sure that you're not rushed and you're able to ask as many questions as possible. So, 3 reasons why you need to attend. Number 1.
Well, how to pay off your mortgage using an investment property. Now, through your life, we all have our dream to own our own home, whether it be paying it off over 30 years or downsizing when you retire. On Wednesday, we're going to talk about purchasing an investment property to pay your mortgage off completely. So there's a lot to learn. We do have a professional there talking through all of that information, so it's really going to be a great event.
I totally agree, and anyone who has a mortgage, the number one goal is to obviously pay that off as fast as possible. And so if you have a mortgage, if you have been registered, come on Wednesday, because you will be able to learn strategies to actually pay that off a lot faster. So that's number 1, is the theme for the night is how to pay off your mortgage with an investment property. The second reason that you need to attend is it's educational. You're not going to be flogged with any products or anything like that. It's purely educational.
That's important to know, actually.
Definitely.
We're not selling. We're not there to sell. We're there to educate.
Yeah, and as Fiona mentioned, we are getting a professional to come in. We're not professionals in the real estate or the property space, so that's why we will get a professional to come in and talk to you all about areas to look for when it comes to investing in property, what areas are performing well versus what areas aren't, and a lot of other information. And even if you're not in the market right now to purchase an investment property, highly recommend you to still attend, because you will walk out with a lot of knowledge, and you'll be able to use that moving forward, even if the time is not right today.
And as Clyde said, it's a very good point, because people think that they only need to attend these events if they're thinking about purchasing in the next month or within the next year. But even if you're thinking of buying later on down the track, maybe it's your strategy for 5 years on, it's still worth coming now, just so that you can see what's available in the market, what areas are working and what aren't, just for future knowledge, really.
Yeah, definitely. Totally agree. And finally, the third reason to attend is it's going to be fun. That's right. Who doesn't like a fun night out? We're going to have food, so you don't have to worry about having dinner. Just come straight after work. You're going to mingle with like-minded people, which is important. And it's a fun night. The kids can stay at home. You can come out and just enjoy and learn. And
just to change in the routine, just to sit down and learn a thing or two and have something to eat and something to drink and just relax.
Exactly. So they're the 3 reasons why you need to attend Wednesday. Number 1 is
how to pay off your mortgage by purchasing an investment property.
Number 2, it's going to be educational. You'll walk out with a wealth of knowledge. And finally, the 3rd reason is
for fun.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So if you haven't registered, the link is below. As I said earlier, there's only a handful of seats available. We want to keep it intimate. We want to keep the group small to ask as many questions as possible. So the link is below. Register, because you only have a couple of days to go.
Well, it's in 2 days, isn't it, really?
Exactly. So we hope to see you all on Wednesday. Thanks, guys.
See you later.